Hey guys, nice seeing you again here on JAEKA. Let me hug all of you. In this episode we sailed over from Antigua down to Guadeloupe and we stayed in two places. One called Deshaies and it was on the western coast of the island. We stayed there for a few days and after that we sailed under the left wing of the island and we ended up in Point-a-Pitre, right between two islands. Was sunny, was beautiful, was new experience for us, and Jacques got new haircut. Let me show all of that. Anchor is up, mainsail is up too, and we're heading to Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe is a French island located 58 miles off Antigua. There are also 3 more islands that belong to Guadeloupe group: Marie-Galante, Nilsson, and La Désirade. In 1493, Christopher Columbus named this island Santa Maria de Guadeloupe after the Virgin Mary, venerated in the Spanish town Guadeloupe. On the map, Guadeloupe looks like a butterfly with open wings. Simply sailing!
It was a big tuna. I was sure it was a tuna because the first rush was absolutely amazing. Then after some time it did of course a second rush, big one, and I was scared to lose all line, and finally the line broke at the place we attach a lure. I can say I'm happy we didn't lose all line, and this one was too big for us, for our equipment.
And it was calamari again.
And the lure was a calamari.
Small one.
A small one, the one very non-expensive, and I mounted myself with a hook and everything, working well for tuna.
Today we put engine on for like 15 minutes, 5 minutes during the time we were leaving the English harbor in Antigua, and 10 minutes at the time we were approaching this Anchorage. Otherwise, pure sailing. 16 knots of wind, 8.5 knots speed, dream navigation. Plus we caught one more tuna. We have just arrived in Guadeloupe, our anchorage called Deshaies. We have only few hours before the sunset, and first thing we're gonna do the custom, after explore this little city a little bit, as tomorrow we are planning to head south. That's the place where we're going to clear in. This is not really the true port. That's actually the place where local fishermen leave their boats, and by what we see there are nets too. And on our way here, when we were approaching the shore, we mentioned there are a lot of white and orange buoys everywhere. We were super careful. Once we almost hit one or two. There are a lot. Even in the middle of the bay, when you enter in, there are few buoys, so people fish a lot here. And here we can see probably where they leave their boats.
So, is it good?
It's very good. I prefer chocolate ice cream. We're gonna celebrate, and you have your beer. Wow, it's a good combination. And we're gonna celebrate our arrival here and watching the bay and JAEKA right from here. We are sailing along western coast of the island, heading to the place which is very close to the capital, right between two islands on the southern part. We got up some wind already. Genoa is up, mainsail is up, engine is off. Beautiful. And along this coast there are a lot of fishing buoys again, so we are both watching and we are very careful. Today navigation is not pleasant at all. We put Genoa up and down for like maybe 15 times. The same with the engine on off because wind changes all the time. And now it started raining. Now we are still under the left wing of the butterfly. You know, Guadeloupe has a shape of butterfly, like I showed earlier on the map. And like that we still have to do 10 more miles. At the end of the day, we ended up in Point-a-Pitre. Upon arrival, the first thing we did, we got dinghy on the water and went to the closest marine store, as the lock that holds the line from Genoa got damaged and we had to replace it very fast. So, did you find it?
Exactly the same. But it is, you know, the spring, it's everywhere you found it, spin lock.
Oh, that's cool.
So exactly the same, we'll be able to fix that.
Yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We park a dinghy right next to the Mocha.
It's beautiful to see that. That's the first one I see in reality. And it's very impressive boat. It is our next boat, no?
Maybe, yeah. That's the one that are using in Van de Globe.
Yeah.
After all, we walked around the marina, relaxing and making plans for the next day. This is what we usually do. After a very long navigation, we go outside here in the cockpit and we're having a apéro. Like tonight with the sausage.
Cheers to everyone.
Yeah, the Anchorage here is a kind of industrial port with dockyards around, but it's very quiet. And not so often we can have an apéro outside. So tonight we really enjoy it after a very long navigation.
We have to change this lock. It is for Genoa roller, He broke here. And by chance, we found exactly the same one. So gonna be easy to replace, and the access under it's okay. And I learned we should never use kind of product like WD-40 or something like that, because that kills the plastic. They said we should only put fresh water. So we learn every day.
Bye bye my long hair. I actually like Jacques' long hair, and it's not so long comparing to how he looked a few years ago. But on a boat it doesn't stay nice for a long time. So I will continue working on the next episode, and let's see him in a couple of hours. Who are you? Where is my husband? Come closer. Ah, to be honest, I prefer this way. It's better.
Too short behind, but
I grows fast.
yeah, it will.
The following day we took a bus to see Point-a-Pitre from inside. Behind there are a lot of monuments and local things we should visit, and a beautiful view of the bay. But today it's kind of slow because it's already the end of the day, plus in France local small businesses on Sundays and Mondays are closed, so we are just walking around and watching local lifestyle. Guadeloupe is the final destination of another important race called Route du Rhum. Rhum is the alcohol, and before people used to take exact same road from Europe to Caribbean to get the Rhum. That's where the name of this race is coming from, and it starts in France and finishes here in Guadeloupe, and it's solo handling, means one person on the board, and this wall behind shows winners since many years. As we can see, the first winner in 1978 needed 23 days to cross the ocean. In 1990 there was a woman who won this race. And in 2014 the winner needed only 7 days to cross the ocean.
What do we do for you, my love? Walk through the fire and the flames. Tell me, would you do the same? Baby, you have got me wired. All that I desire, girl, I found in you. Oh,
here on Ilet du Gosier island. Gosier means chicken's net from French, and it's a small place with a tiny beach, a little restaurant. This is the resort, nobody lives here, and the most interesting thing here is a lighthouse, but it's closed to public for now, and people come here just for a couple of hours to spend time on the beach, and the anchorage is not so really protected, so we're gonna anchor out here just for a few hours, and after that we will continue our way to Marie-Galante.
I got good intentions. Do I have to mention every word is true? Oh, tell me I can't wait no longer. We're not getting any younger. I just wanna know, 'cause all I want to be is right here by your side, right here by your side.
That's it for this week. I hope you enjoy staying with us here in Guadeloupe, and in the next episode we are going to sail down to Marie-Galante, but that's gonna be in 7 days. And if you like this one, show me your thumbs up. And thank you very much for the last episode. We did make this button red, and this time let's break it. No worries, for the next movie in Marie-Galante, YouTube gonna fix it, so let's break it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it for this week. See you, bye bye.